I'm not really interested that much. उसको ये कह दिया, उसको गाली दे दी. No political discussion. No BJP, nothing. Hello. So who's studying what?
I am LLM student. Final year LLM student, sir.
So we are from Hindu College, so we are honors.
Recently, we have seen you raising the issue of caste census, and there has been a lot of buzz around this issue. So, how do you see this caste census impacting the young population and also dealing with the structural inequalities which exist?
What is the amount of benefit that women are getting versus men? Which community is benefiting? Is OBCs benefiting? Dalits benefiting? Who's benefiting? Right? So, what I am proposing is a series of steps that act like a national experiment. But let us say, where are we?
Yes.
Does she have the same opportunity as you? Or no? That's the idea in my mind behind the caste system.
When you focus on co-curricular activities or academics,
You have to create a balance. If you only study, you will not have the social skill to go ahead in your life. And if you only do sort of, social stuff, you will not have the sort of academics. It's about making a balance.
but you seem very intellectual person.
Because the way I think about politics, I'm not interested that much in the tu मैं and उसको ये कह दिया, उसको गाली दे दी. I've never been interested in that. So I'm always interested in how forces work. What forces are at play. What are the large forces that are affecting things. So I always am thinking like that. And then I get interested, so I'm like, okay, ठीक है, पिछली बार ये कैसे हुआ? What's the best one?
So,
He asked me how to deal with abuse. Right?
Yes, sir.
So here, this is abuse. Okay? Give it to me. Give me. This is abuse. ये गाली है. मुझे दो.
Yes, sir.
Cannot taking it. Cannot, sir. It's okay here. Take it. Listen, oh. Listen, oh. That's how it works. Expectation. आपको लाइफ में ना अगर चोट नहीं लगी, दर्द नहीं लगा, मुश्किल नहीं हुई, तो आपने लाइफ नहीं। मतलब अगर कुछ भी करना हो, उसको 95% तक ले जाओ। 100% तक ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, पर 95 तक ले जाओ। उसमें टाइम लगेगा, उसमें कंपाउंडिंग होगी, फायदा आपको पहले नहीं दिखेगा, बाद में दिखेगा, बट उसको आप परसिस्टेंटली करते रहो। And third thing is the direct. Okay, now about your life. What are you thinking? What do you want to do? How are you thinking about it? What are your difficulties?
सर डिफिकल्टीज इज दैट हम लोग का ग्रेजुएशन लगातार बहुत से लोग का होता जा रहा है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट के पास उतनी नौकरियां नहीं है सर। अब आप ही देख लीजिए, यहाँ जो दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय है, दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय में कितने सारे लोग ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं, ठीक है सर, और अपॉर्चुनिटीज है नहीं सर।
ये आपने बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली।
जी सर
कि हिंदुस्तान में ग्रोथ होती है
जी
7%, 8%, 6%, 9%, मगर जॉब्स क्रिएट नहीं होते।
Sir, main issue है ना, we are focusing only on the food sector. Private से focusing नहीं कर रहा है, government कहाँ से जो प्रोड्यूस करेगा?
जॉब्स आती कहाँ से?
जो सर अगर क्रिएट करी जाती है, जिस चीज की डिमांड होगी उसके रिगार्डिंग सर जो
Let us suppose you put Carfax versus a call center, meaning the manufacturing unit versus a service unit provider. Which one will produce more jobs? The car manufacturer will be making the wheels, he'll be making the wires, he'll be making the seats, he'll be making a whole bunch of things. There'll be a network and there'll be large numbers of jobs created. Versus services where आपने कॉल सेंटर में डाल दिया, एक बंदा जॉब कर रहा है, उसका कोई नेटवर्क इफेक्ट नहीं है, बाकी जॉब नहीं है। The reason India is not producing jobs is India is failing completely at manufacturing. Hello, how are you?
I am the proctor.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Please carry on.
Would you like to join us?
Carry on. It was a surprise.
Did someone push you or something?
Like this,
Who was that?
says I don't know, some student or the other. If you have come, you're most welcome to the university. Please carry on.
सर सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा? भारत जोड़ो यात्रा का सबसे अच्छा
भारत यात्रा में
20-25 लड़कियों से मेरी बातचीत हो रही थी। मैंने उनसे पूछा, देखो तुम करना क्या चाहती हो? कहती है इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, लॉयर, IAS, आर्मी, ये सब बोला। मैं इस बात को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता हूँ कि आप ये 5 चीजें करना चाहते हो। उन्होंने कहा नहीं, बिल्कुल 100% दिस इज व्हाट वी वांट टू डू। तो आई सेड ओके, लेट्स गो एक्सपेरिमेंट। मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं आप में से 3-4 को हेलीकॉप्टर में बैठा दूंगा और आपको हेलीकॉप्टर में राइड करा दूंगा, और उसके बाद मैं आपसे पूछूंगा आप अभी इंजीनियर बनना चाहती हो, हाँ या ना? तो वी वेंट, पुट देम इन द हेलीकॉप्टर, दे फ्लू। आफ्टर दैट दे सेड नो, वी वांट टू बी पायलट।
we have not explored those many options. When exploration
So you're not only not explore, you're not allowed to explore.
हमें
And the country doesn't let you explore. With all due respect, your parents don't let you explore.
I just want to ask, all this yatra which you did, do you really think that now your view of India has changed?
Yeah, absolutely.
How?
Bharat Jodo Yatra, what really surprised me was the love and affection that people in this country have for each other. Peace-loving, affectionate, humble country. And a lot of what one sees in the media, the arrogance, the anger, the hatred, is just superficial. It's not real. Actually, people in this country are humble people, loving and affectionate people.
How do you see the importance of student politics? Like we see in the mainstream conception, like our parents and everybody are not very favorable about it.
No political discussion. No BJP, no Congress, no nothing.
what are your mode of entertainment?
I do this martial art that I like. I read quite a lot.
Sir, I am into dancing, classical dance, comes up as an exercise.
Tata, what would be the 2-3 things you would tell him? Like what should he do?
You will have to be very patient because it takes time. Classical requires a lot of time. And third, listen to it and stop.
Who is your inspiration?
Buddha.
Why is that?
He's one of the most profound political thinkers.
अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहे उनके जो हम फॉलो कर सकते हैं,
बोलने से पहले बात को समझो।
समझना जरूरी है।
एक समझना होता है, दूसरा ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है। तो समझना इज इन थॉट, ऑब्जर्वेशन इज आउटसाइड थॉट। तो उसको तपस्या कह सकते हो, ध्यान कह सकते हो, ऑब्जर्वेशन कह सकते हो, पर वो सोचना नहीं।
So how do you like it, like talking to us and
I like it. I want to do, right? Is there certain things that I want to start developing a relationship with you guys? Like for example, you asked me a question about fitness. So I think exploring that together, maybe giving you my view, maybe taking some of your ideas. So I'll happily do that. When you want me to come? आपके यहाँ पे प्रॉपर आगे नहीं आने देंगे।
And तुझे आज पता होता तो मच्छी
No, I'll come.
पूरा वेलकम करते